Is it good or bad? Good. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Ready? Is it good or bad? Good. How much lithium?
45 amp hour protos.
Wow.
Oh, you can leave it open.
Leave it open?
Yeah.
All right. It's better with the door open?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Whew. Oh, that looks good, man. Wow. So what are these? What Sundown level?
X15s.
X15s.
V2s.
I remember you last year. You had 612s.
Yeah.
I remember it.
Flex
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I upgraded since then.
Oh yeah. So it's a lot more brutal, you think? Oh yeah.
A lot better.
What are you wired to on your Taramps AKs?
0.6 each.
Okay. Looks good. And your tuning? The fourth order?
41. Between 40 and 41.
All right.
Yeah, I like that low shit.
Yes, sir. Did you meter it?
156.7.
Really?
At 26 hertz.
26. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
It's nice and solid too, man. You did a good
yeah.
job. You did all this?
Yeah.
That looks good, man. I like it. Nice and sealed off. You can tell you did a good job. Yeah, we're about to get a good demo. Slamfest 2019. It's better with the door open for his system. Yeah.
I'll go on that side.
All right. She's gonna get some outside flex. Oh, you're good, man. Take your time.
Honey ball, chick fucking no bitch, chick brother for wallet. Keep let everybody walk. You know that it's on the funny. Chillin'. You know that it's on the funny. Chillin'. Timmy, young boy, rich boy, 5, 6, check the ratchet, check the niggas with a check, got it all, big niggas, fuck nothing niggas get it.
Holy smokes, that's a big jump, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's musical too. What was that song? 22 hertz?
Yeah, 22.
Wow, dude, that thing's musical. I appreciate it, man. What was your name?
Hector.
Jacob, nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.